Imagine it's you standing over a shallow grave in the Sierra Nevada. You didn't die from a lack of gold. You died because you bought a heavy, expensive steam pump when what you really needed was a winter coat and a reliable mule. Out on the trail, the wrong purchase doesn't just cost you money, it costs you the season. See yourself clutching a tool that can't save you while the snow begins to fall and the wind starts to howl through the pines. You're holding a miracle machine that doesn't work, while the man with the simple wool blanket is the one who lives to see the spring. Tool chasing is how modern miners freeze to death. They don't mean to. They aren't stupid. They're just scared. They see the pace of change, they feel the pressure, and they think the answer is one more subscription, one more secret prompt, or one more viral app. But a merchant doesn't buy tools to feel safe. A merchant buys tools to move goods. If you like stories where the smart man survives and the greedy man freezes, hit subscribe and like this video. I post the map every week, and I don't want you missing the lessons that keep you on the right side of the trail. Once you've locked in your spot here, head over to AIGoldrushHQ.com to grab the 27 Strategies book. That's the full playbook for the road ahead. Now, let's get back to the trail. To survive this gold rush, you need the merchant test. It's a simple filter, and if you follow it, it will save you months of wasted motion and thousands of dollars in useless subscriptions. Before you buy, before you build, before you commit, answer this. What is the paid path? What if you could stop guessing and start knowing? If you can't explain who pays you, for what specific outcome, and in what sequence, you're not buying a tool. You're buying a dream. And dreams don't keep you warm when the market turns cold. A miner says, I want to use AI to make money. A merchant says, I help local law firms automate their intake so they stop losing 5 leads a day. I install the rail and I maintain it. See the difference? One is fog. One is a route. One is a gamble. One is a utility bill. Imagine it's you applying this test to every shiny object that hits your inbox. Imagine the relief of saying no to 99% of the noise because you finally have a compass. Step 1. Choose one business pain that already has a budget. Don't look for new problems. Look for old problems that are currently being solved by expensive, slow human labor. That is where the gold is buried. Step 2. Define the deliverable like a physical object. If you can't picture it, the client won't pay for it. Call it a lead rail, a knowledge vault, or an automation toll booth. Give it a name that sounds like infrastructure, not magic. Step 3. Decide what stays human. This is where the miners fail. They try to automate the soul out of the business. The merchant always leaves the final judgment with a human where it matters. The final approval, the high-stakes email, the money decision. Only then do you choose tools. Tools are replaceable. The position isn't. See your future as the architect who owns the route, not the laborer who's obsessed with the brand of his shovel. If you need 6 different tools and a complex web of fragile connections to deliver one outcome, you're building a trap, not a business. You're building a machine that will break the moment one API changes. What if you could build something modular? Something that survives the winter? Use the merchant test every time. Precision is what clients pay for. They don't pay for AI. They pay for the result that AI produces. See yourself walking into a business with this level of clarity. While everyone else is babbling about the latest chatbot, you are talking about the paid path. You are talking about the rails. You are talking about the refinery. The common mistake is thinking you need to be a coder to win. You don't. You need to be a filter. You need to be the one who can tell the difference between a steam pump that explodes and a mule that gets the job done. If you're ready to stop wandering in the woods and start owning the trail, the map is waiting for you at AIGoldrushHQ.com. Grab the 27 Strategies book and stop mining. Start building the rails. I'll see you at the next camp.